Okay, so this probably should have gotten rid of this before, but we're going to log into our root, so ROT and then the password that you've used, and we're going to start working more towards our Metasploit and how to actually work that. Firstly, just type in Nmap. I might be going over a few things I've already covered before, but I'm not too sure. Now we can take a look at all the options here. These are all the options that they'll allow us to do. If we go up, we can see here that there's a ping scan, and it's all the different types of scans that we can run. Now we don't really need much of this. What we do need to do, ifconfig. Now this tells us what network we're on. We're at 10.0.2.15. So what we want to do is we want to do an Nmap 10.0.2.1/24. Now, I believe that this scan is going to be the exact same as if we were to, I'll bring up another terminal so it's easy. If we were to do Nmap 10.0.2. I believe that these two things all do the exact same thing. In fact, we can run these alongside each other and see the result. This might take a bit of time, but it's just what happens with Nmap. So, not really much use here. This is just to show us what servers are up. We're just starting a network scan, and it's actually a network mapping tool, which is very important. Hope is 28 seconds remaining, so that's not bad. I'm going to run this on my other Kali system, and we'll see. Yeah, this computer doesn't have enough RAM because my other one's going to be done in about 5 seconds. Or it's always going to be done in about 5 seconds, I don't know. Sometimes these things just take some time. Don't worry about it. You've got plenty of time to waste. We just got to hope that these things don't take too long, which they typically do. So yeah, we're down to 8 seconds on the main one, and it's probably going to be at 8 still. No. Yes, it just does take a bit too long sometimes, so we'll just hope. 2 seconds. Hope you're not counting any of this time in the actual video because it is a lot longer. Now, it's showing us all the ports that are up. Take a look at them. Now, we know that we're port 15. Now, at port... which port is it? Sorry, I'm a bit jumbled up here. Map scan 2.2. We've got some ports open. We've got some more ports open at 2.3, 2.4, and 2.15 host is up, and all the ports on our server that we're using are closed. Now we'll take a look at the other one. Now 2.4, I wish this was like Windows and you could just pull it up against the side and it would stick to it. And it's got all the exact same results. So you can use the command nmap your network with a star, or you could use nmap the default gateway, which is 1/24, which will run to 2 to the power of 7 or 8, I can't remember what it is, 2 to the power of 8 I think it is, whichever one ends up 256. So you just run through that the whole way. It's 2 to the power of 7 because you got 2 to the power of 0, which is 1. Then you go up, 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 and eventually it gets to, I think, 228. If I had my programming app just down here, I could actually run that calculation pretty quickly, but I'm not going to use an online calculator. Hope that was some help to you guys. We'll get back to this next time, and by next time I'll be recording this video in about 2 minutes. See ya.